Start because it's now
It is.
7 o'clock, and I'd like to
Yes.
welcome everybody to this event. And this is basically the second in our series of mental health webinars. हम कोशिश करेंगे कि हम हिंदी और अंग्रेजी दोनों में बात करें, और ये एक हम लोगों को ऐसे लगता है कि अभी हम सब एक बहुत ही मुश्किल दौर से गुजर रहे हैं. हर रोज हम नींद से उठते हैं तो हमें एक और दुखद घटना के बारे में पता चलता है. एज राइटर्स, मतलब हर किसी के लिए ये दौर इतना मुश्किल है, बट एज राइटर्स शायद कहीं पे हम लोग थोड़े ज्यादा और सेंसिटिव होते हैं. पिछली बारी का जो हमारा वेबिनार था उसमें हमने डिप्रेशन के बारे में बात की थी. हमने समझा था कि सैडनेस और दुख और डिप्रेशन के बीच में क्या फर्क है. आज हम उसे एक और स्टेप आगे लेके जा रहे हैं. हम थेरेपी और हीलिंग के बारे में बात करेंगे. So it's called Psychotherapy for the Creative Mind, and we have Anuradha Tiwari in conversation with Dr. Leena Behrani, psychiatrist, transactional analyst, जिसके बारे में हमें अनुराधा बताएंगी अच्छे से. And Anuradha is a writer and a director and a filmmaker, and she's also a certified therapist. So we have two amazing ladies, and now I'd like Anuradha to take over. So अपना पेन पेपर साथ रखिए, बिकॉज बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग और इंसाइटफुल चीजें हमें आज पता लगने वाली हैं. तो ओवर टू यू अनुराधा.
Thank you so much, Ishita, for this glorious introduction. बहुत अच्छी भूमिका बांधी आपने. And जैसा कि exactly Ishita ने बताया, firstly welcome everybody to this conversation and thank you so much for joining us here. And, yes, sorry. Yes, thank you, ma'am, for reminding me. Thank you. Well, I'll just welcome everybody again for joining us here in this conversation. With me here is Dr. Leena Behrani, and as Ishita mentioned, she is one of the most renowned psychiatrists of Mumbai city. She's also a trained psychotherapist. She practices something called transactional analysis, in which which is what we're going to discuss in depth today. She's also trained in something called NLP, Neuro Linguistic Programming. And these are things which are basically healing modules for the mind. And हमारा focus इस बात का है कि we're living through very turbulent times जहाँ पे mental health is a very big issue today. But instead of just wallowing in it and caving under it, हमने सोचा कि why not focus on how to get out of it, how to find methods, how to find help for it. And our focus today is really about harmonious relationships. और इसके बारे में of course ma'am is going to take us through for the next 90 minutes. And our whole thought is a harmonious relationship with our own selves first, and therefore how to build it with the world around us. और जो हमारी healing therapy है जिसके बारे में हम बात करने वाले हैं उसका नाम है transaction analysis यानी TA. And so ma'am, welcome to our conversation here, and really over to you. So, yes, ma'am. So, ma'am, my first question to you is, in these times, especially in lockdown and COVID times, क्या mental health की awareness बढ़ी है? क्या उस पर जो है focus थोड़ा ज़्यादा गया है?
Yeah, definitely, because this is a challenge. I mean, situation भी challenging है.
जी.
And whether we like it or no, कि हम सब घर में we are with each other. And कभी-कभी ऐसे हो जाता है जब हम काम पे when we go to work, we don't realize we're spending less time with each other. These moments when you are with each other, there are some houses 2, 4, 6 people, and yes, it can get difficult living in harmony with self. And लगता है ये दूसरे के वजह से मुझे ये हो रहा है. But I think through this period we will learn नहीं इसमें हम क्या कर सकते हैं. So yes, times are challenging, and well, we see the suicide rates which have gone up. So it is a challenge.
Absolutely, ma'am. Yes, but so well said, ma'am, कि इसमें हम क्या कर सकते हैं, तो हमारी क्या responsibility है, इसको समझना कितनी बड़ी बात है, and इसको समझाने वाले भी कितने कम लोग हैं. So if we can, and I think today's conversation is going to be so about that, कि हम अपने आप को कैसे समझें. So ma'am, even before we just go into the full conversation, मैं बस ये समझना चाहती थी आपसे कि you are a practicing psychiatrist. So, so what interested you in transaction analysis? आपको इसमें कैसे रुझान आया?
So basically, it's not only transaction analysis. When I took up psychiatry, starting with कि ये सामने जो मेरा बैठा है सिर्फ neurochemicals नहीं है. Being is sitting in front of me. And then how to look at the thing totally. So moving from neurotransmitters to developing the listening skill. And I was fortunate because as I grew up, I had the opportunity to listen to Bhagavad Gita, and then done. The way we live is all there. How to live, how to enrich our life living. So I incorporated that. Along that, many other modules, and then came along this transaction analysis. Like you said, yes, NLP. I mean, all modules are wonderful by themselves. What I like about TA, transactional analysis, is the simplicity, easy to understand, follow. Once I know who I am, we are talking at this plane of consciousness, not the higher Atman, at this plane of consciousness, who I am. Okay. And to be able to dissect different parts of me, and the word transaction itself is, there is the other.
Right, yeah.
These are the things which kind of interested me, and the founder is Eric Berne, who was a psychiatrist. The books, when I was doing my psychiatry, but just passingly had read those books, and I got back to them some years ago along with the other modules. And it really helps because we use our five senses, which hawa mein imaginative nahi hai.
Right here.
Feel, hear, taste, smell, touch. It's like that.
Right. I'd like to share with everybody watching that why Dr. Behrani is so special to me, because she's my first teacher, and in my journey of learning psychotherapy, I learned my foundation course of TA with her. And what a wonderful teacher. And उन्होंने एक बहुत अच्छा word उस दिन use किया. उन्होंने कहा कि ये psycho spiritual subject है. And me as a practicing Buddhist, मुझे भी लगा कि इसमें जो चीजें जो हमें वो अभी share करने वाली हैं, वो really, there's such an overlap in the therapy that TA teaches us, which has so much spirituality in it. So, man, without further ado, let's just deep dive into the subject. Please tell us.
I will share what I know.
Yes, absolutely.
Individual ki hum usme se kya hame chahiye. I'll share what I know. Yeah.
Ma'am, and I think you just know so much. And to all the writers who are watching us, I just like to tell you that while we are talking about psychotherapy, I assure you it's going to be such an enriching journey as even writers, because वो जो हमें बताने वाली हैं वो इतना हमें काम आएगा as character building, as just life story, and so really take what you can from it. वो हमको काफी सारी स्लाइड दिखाएंगी, काफी टाइम पे स्लाइड स्क्रीन पे भी रहने वाले हैं, आपको नोट्स लेना है आपको लीजिए, जहाँ पर हम हिंदी में उसका अनुवाद कर सकते हैं हम करेंगे, but really a lot of the concepts are in English, so do bear with us. Yes, ma'am. So let's begin. Please start by letting us know what is TA.
Okay, so basically transactional analysis, we can start the slides also parallel.
Ji, Dinkar, if you can help us.
Yeah. So transactional analysis is a system of a psychotherapy, and the word transaction itself is a relationship. So I've called this as a harmonious relationship, right?
Wonderful.
And the transactions we have, we can go to the next, meeting the founder, who was Dr. Eric Berne. And the one who brought to India was the Jesuit priest, Kandathil. He's the one who started, and the institute is in Kerala. That's a parent body, ICTA. And then coming to the next one, it states, it is a theory of personality and systematic psychotherapy. The important thing about this, my own growth. So it is not कि तुमको बदलना है, उसने ऐसा करना चाहिए, ना कुछ भी हो रहा है, मुझ में क्या हो रहा है. So it is I bring about, so it's personal growth, and that brings about a change. So theory of personality and communication, these are the two aspects that we are going to focus on.
Okay. Okay. So if we can lodge into the philosophy behind it.
Right. So basically the philosophy of TA, it is that in TA, you can go to the next slide, philosophy. Yeah. So it is the philosophical, there are assumptions, right? Because philosophies are challenged, right? So we call them assumptions. Now the most
Acha.
important thing is people are okay, and everyone has a capacity to think. People are okay. That is continuously shouting. Okay, he's getting angry. So what do you mean he's okay? How can he be okay?
हाँ.
Essence, my essence, your essence, everybody's essence within is one. And we look
Okay.
at that okayness, whether there's a consciousness. So as
Achha.
humans, we are all okay. There's behavior, attitudes, our beliefs, which may not match, which may create a problem. And the other important thing, everybody has a capacity to think. So we can make our own decision, except people who are retarded, so mentally challenged people, or who are going through active phases of illnesses. Situation ऐसे हो जाती है, we kind of get a shock and नहीं मुझे सोच नहीं आता, I can't think. So these are transitory phenomena, whereas retarded and long-term psychosis, yes, can affect our process of rationalization and thinking. But we all have a capacity to think. So we decide. And the beauty is, if I can think, I can decide, I can change my destiny by redeciding, giving it a different direction. But if I'm going to sit and wait, ki somebody will come pick me up, help me, hold me, make me walk, nana. So if I lean too much, no way are there changes going to be. Nothing comes easy, right? Not even a cup of tea. So when it is working with my own self, yes, when I decide to change, and we'll go through how we can bring these changes. So that's about the philosophy.
Ma'am, I just like to stay here for just a few seconds because you know ये बहुत ही spiritual मामला है actually, to be able to say कि you know मैं भी okay हूँ and people are okay. So you know, so
Yes.
that is, and I know we will go into you know depth of it just a little later in life position. But you know, for आम जनता to just understand it कि जब मैं ठीक नहीं हूँ, you know, and that obviously that is the time when you know I might need actually psychological help. So उस समय मैं कैसे ठीक, मैं उस समय कैसे सोच सकती हूँ कि people are okay at a time,
so
you know.
This okayness means मुझे आज बुखार है, but ठीक है बुखार है, I'm okay. मेरे शरीर में बुखार है. Otherwise I'm okay, no? I'm having palpitations. अरे मुझे इंटरव्यू पे जाना है, ये दिल इतना धड़क रहा है, मेरे हाथ पैर कांप रहे हैं. But I'm still okay in the sense that I'm aware and I can deal. Very often जब ये हमें लपेट देता है, when we come under the sway of our emotions, that is the time we may need help. So that doesn't make us not okay. It only tells us that this is having a disturbed mind. This me who slipped from a banana peel, oh, I have this fracture, that doesn't make me okay. Whether it is physically or mentally, these are disturbances, changes, but they are not an okayness of who I am. Through this, yes, we open ourselves, and mental health, ये कुछ हवा में नहीं है, you know, which people say, I have to build my willpower, you know, and they think कि क्या हो रहा है? But every change, there is a parallel change in our brain. And brain is what? Me? Right? Brain is not different from me. So where are those changes happening? Within me. So and if I have diabetes, I walk into a diabetologist. I'll not wait till the gangrene ho. So मुझे थोड़ी, I'm not able to cope up, I'm not feeling good. Oh, these situations are too much, I can't handle. There's a friend, there's a book, there's a movie also lift us up. Some people with a bhajan, a book can really lift and come out. Whereas some people require the help. Okay. So that's where the surroundings and the others help. And you go, so अभी मुझे छाती में दर्द हुआ, where will I go? To ICU. So अगर मेरा mind disturbed है, I will go either to a counselor or to a psychiatrist.
Correct. Right. Yeah.
Right. Then move on.
Right.
And
so
faith wherever I'm going, that this is for my goodness.
Right. So basically, so exactly summarizing what you're saying is the psycho-spirituality part of it, that there is a larger part of me that's actually always okay and that can seek help no matter what happens to me, right?
Yes. So when you're talking of psycho-spiritual, see,
Ji.
we have 5 codes: Annamaya, Pranamaya, Manomaya, Vijnanamaya, Anandmaya. Everybody on this planet Earth wants to be happy. We are
Right.
doing what we feel happy. Now,
Right. Huh.
layers which are there,
Huh.
counseling helps us clear the dirt or the clogs at
Right.
these different layers. Inside me is bliss, the
Hmm.
consciousness, and so I
Ji.
call it a psycho-spiritual journey. That way.
What a wonderful explanation, मैम. So actually हमारे पास कुछ सवाल आ रहे हैं, कुछ states of ego को लेकर हैं, तो हम उसको actually आगे answer करने वाले हैं. And of course people are going to be asking questions about depression, etc. But we are going to answer that through the length of this
है ना अनुराधा,
conversation.
जब भी एटलीस्ट हमने थोड़े concepts introduce किए,
Yeah, correct.
then
You're right,
questions
ma'am.
get
तो वो आ
easier. We
जाएंगे.
can,
No, I'm just answering it for the people
yeah.
that we are going to be answering them through the concept itself. So, ma'am, instantly going on to the next question, what is therefore the goal of this therapy? If you can just explain that in a little detail.
The goal is autonomy. We can have the next slide. What is
Yes.
the goal of TA is to become an autonomous person. An autonomous person is aware, spontaneous, and intimate. These are the 3 characteristics. So he's one who can spontaneously engage in appropriate transaction. Okay? Then takes responsibility. The most important is taking responsibility for one's actions and feelings. So autonomous person does not mean कि उसके जिंदगी में कुछ नहीं होएगा. Whatever he says will always give results with a plan. No, but he is ready. Okay, this is a decision I'm taking. I'm moving on. These are my pluses, minuses. I'm moving on, and so the choice I'm making, I'm ready to pay the price. That's also an autonomous person. Okay, so these are the things. So he has the power to help himself. He's resourceful, and he has the ability to share the resources with others. Okay, and this is, when we become autonomous, means I am in control of the different identities within me. And it's like where my hands are, my mind is at the same point. My thoughts, my body, my feelings are all together, and I'm engaging in that activity. So that is the goal.
Okay.
Right.
So basically, to summarize that, you would say कि it's true liberation. मतलब एक personality is truly free of all emotional baggage to be in the present. Is that
Yes,
what you're
it's
really saying?
free for that moment at that time.
Ji.
Because
Right.
to be continuously in that, we may be, we may not be, but yes, if I'm able to sustain and maintain and not allow my present to be contaminated by my feelings or my beliefs, I'm in the here and now. That's
Right. So ma'am, just quickly answering somebody who just asked कि लक्षण क्या होंगे अगर मैं बहुत mentally depressed या repressed हूँ. One of the ways of answering I'm asking you could be कि अगर मैं feel कर रहा हूँ कि मैं बिल्कुल okay नहीं हूँ और बहुत सारी चीजें इस autonomy को threaten कर रही हैं.
No. I would say we can wait later for this.
Okay. We won't get into that. Okay. Fair enough.
Otherwise, we'll get too many general questions.
Generic. Okay. Fair enough.
Yes. So we will be moving away from what we want to communicate.
Okay, ma'am. Fair enough. So we were at the goal of TA, which was being an autonomous person. So moving on, we were going to be discussing the analyses of TA. The 4 kinds of analyses. So what would those be?
So basically, it is about me. We can go to the next slide. It is about me. So that is called as a structural analysis.
Okay.
Then I'm transacting with you. That is between 2 people. That is transactional analysis. Then we have heard this, don't play games with me. Why are you doing this? Okay. Those are because हम बोलते कुछ है, हमारा मतलब कुछ होता है. That undercurrent part we call game, and that game analysis. And the last is the script analysis. You're all writers, you'll write stories. So that we have also written our story when we were very, very small.
Yeah.
Somewhere things have not are not going right. So what have I done? Okay. At that age, my decisions were limited. What can I do? So getting into the analysis. So all these actually are real big topics. Right now, what we are doing is giving an introduction, like a roadmap. मेरा मुझे जाना है, say I want to go to Himalayas. Yeah. So right now we are discussing maybe the different routes, the different stops, the different approaches, and then do a lot of research into it, and then we get the results.
Sure, ma'am. So, ma'am, I would request you to just recap these 4 analyses again quickly.
Structural analysis, that's been me.
Yeah.
Action between two
people.
Then there is a game analysis and a script analysis.
Script analysis. Okay, fine. Yeah.
So we will be focusing more structure, a little the first 3 for sure. If
time permits. Okay.
That, Anuradha gives us a lot of clarity as to where I am. Even an understanding will help me move to the next step. It's beautiful. It's simple, but charged.
Absolutely, ma'am. I'm just so excited already for people who are going to discover this. So moving on to the next one, ma'am, if you can explain us behavior. So, of what I understand that, people behave a certain way and most of us won't understand, you take it at face value. You don't understand what lies beneath. So if you can explain that in detail to us.
So basically in our interaction, it's the behavior. Ki usne mujhe aise bola. Even in that behavior, there are words, tones, gestures. So there's a big chunk in the behavior, but that is not even 5 to 7%. And we draw our conclusion from that 5 to 7%, which appears so big. Okay, so that we are conscious. Our senses can see that. But underlying is the pre-conscious, the unconscious, the subconscious. So in that are our attitudes, our thoughts, our emotions, our beliefs. And in those deeper aspects, so what we see is it's like the tip of the iceberg. रहता है, so bahar ye jo behavior aata hai, that yes can indicate once we learn. Oh, he's standing with hands on the hips, hands here, his chin is tight, his eyes are like this, his head is furrowed. From all these external behaviors, we can get an inference. He is wearing a mask. See, we wear 3 masks. We come to what we say parent, adult.
Yes.
We operate from these 3 principles. So that, yes, sure gives an indication from where the person is coming. We may not know what is going on inside, but where he is coming from, once I know, then I can change my approach, my way to that person. So the tip of the iceberg, the conscious part, and there is lots. So when we are doing counseling work, this aspects get into and help the person connect to the others coming from there. What's happening to me? I'm feeling useless. I'm feeling hopeless. So unfolding will be along the next 1 hour.
Right. Ma'am, so I'm just going to pause here a little bit and I'm just putting it into a slightly larger social context. So I'm asking you for a tip that, in times like these, where, there's such an exaggeration of pathos, of sorrow, of, just hard times, where I think kindness is needed so much. How do we pause to, what is the tip we can get as just common people to just, go past someone's obvious behavior? How do we, just pause to look at someone and say, "Yaar, ye nahi karte."
Fair enough. So, again, that is, I have to know. I know there's a car, clutch hai, brake hai, but कब मुझे क्या करना, in the
हाँ.
subsequent slides when we open this
अच्छा, okay, fair.
question we'll answer.
Okay,
And
okay,
we
okay,
can go
ठीक है.
back to this, Anuradha.
हाँ, ठीक है, ma'am. Okay, fine. All right. So, ma'am, coming now to, I think, the heart of the story, really, as we
Yeah.
say, you
Yeah.
know, the central theory of 3A, which is the 3 states of ego. If you
Huh.
can just start by explaining, you know, what is the fulcrum of it?
Right.
Mhm.
Basically, Byrne describes, so this is about the behavior, we can go to the next. So he described it's a coherent system of feeling and thinking. So when we saw that iceberg,
Ji.
and thinking is down,
Mhm.
I don't know. But what comes at the tip of the iceberg is the behavior. So this behavior which is there is a coherent system of feeling, thinking and behavior. So see, very often, okay, let's take that. तुम क्यों इतना मुस्कुरा रहे हो? क्या गम है छुपा रहे हो? Let's take that. So the behaviors, हाँ, it's nice, but उसकी smile के अंदर क्या था? रो रही थी, रोना था. So with this understanding, when we know, so don't go by the face value of just the behavior. However, behavior is important, because even when she's smiling, that smile didn't have energy, it had sadness. Right? So sometimes when there's anger, anger can come also from a deep sadness. Right? So how, when we are operating from different parts of me, we will understand where I'm coming from. So basically, universally, we say that these ego states are 3 in everybody. The other way say the mask we wear. Okay, so sometimes I have to become critical. So I'll go into a particular mode. Okay, let me give another example. कि बच्चा आ जाता है and comes home 3 red lines. He's 8 years. He has an elder sister, maybe 15 years. तो वो घर आ रहा है, बताया नहीं, वो देख रहा है अपने मम्मी डैडी को. छोटा बेटा after 5-7 years, so mother का लाडला. Then slowly he goes towards the father. Both are sitting. He goes towards mother. Mama, हाँ क्या हुआ बेटा? And that over concern. ओ अच्छा, कोई बात नहीं, अगले टाइम जरा हम भी आपसे मेहनत करेंगे, देखा जाएगा. क्या हुआ? द फादर बट्स इन. बताओ क्या है, क्या चल रहा है? बहुत हो गया दोनों का. ईगो, ये क्या है? कुछ है नहीं है? तुम्हें लाज लज्जा आती है और तुम बैठी रहती हो. बात करो, अभी भी बैठी रहो मोबाइल पे, व्हाट्सएप पे. गए बच्चे, यू नो, ऑन वन साइड. ओके, एंड देन you know, then comes in the sister. क्यों डैडी, बस चिल्लाना आप भी तो बंद करो. बस हमेशा पहले तो आप सोचोगे नहीं, पहले तो चिल्लाओगे. अरे भाई देखो तो, he has done so beautiful in his art, in music, in writing. आप उसको तो देखो. These are such wonderful things. Okay, so from this, what did we understand comes in a child. Okay, डरा सा, little tears, घबराया हुआ. Then we see the mother nurturing. We see the father, the critical, pointing fingers, judging. This part of the parents, and it's not necessary that because they are parents, just as an example, I'm giving you parts together, the nurture and the critical in a human being, that whole bundle is called as a parent ego state. And is this a coherent system of behavior, thought and feelings, and we'll go into what they are. So this is taught to us. ये हम सीखते हैं, whether from our parents, teachers, guides, aunts, uncle, and we swallow it whole. क्यों हम जब भी छोटे हैं, we have no choices. उसको हम कोई delete button नहीं दबा सकते. We swallow it whole. Okay, the parent ego state. बच्चा आया, he came with that fear. That he says the adapted child. Okay, which comes from the feeling, thinking, behavior. Those all together we call is a child ego state. That's the feeling component in us.
Okay.
Is the thinking component. The child ego state is the feeling component.
Feeling component. Okay.
That child ego state also has what we say adapted. He's adapting, fearful, comes in the sister who's now a teenager, and we all know the teenage story. We have gone through it, and we see people around, so they rebel. Okay. So that part also is coming from the child ego state. And फिर adult कहाँ गया? हर चीज में तो चाहिए. Adult becomes a referee between the parent and the child. So as we go on, Anuradha, we will go through this in
Right, ma'am. So the question here, ma'am, is that how does one know which ego state you're in? Or is that the autonomy that we are talking about?
Right. So which one we know? So we will see. So in ego state, I spoke is what are these ego states? One is taught, one is felt. Now we'll go and see further how it works.
Oh, correct. Absolutely. Okay, great. Yeah, so I think we'll start with the parent state first.
Right. What
the next slide, please?
Yeah. So we can go to the next. Basically, these three ego states are not hawa mein. They are actually existing in all of us. So like a vehicle, bahar body hai, what is there? How does it operate? Same thing with the ego state. Kya hai aur kaise chalta hai? We go on to the next. So the parent ego state, behavior, thoughts and feelings copied from parents. So very often, we do ki, मैं भी मम्मी की तरह अभी भाई नहीं है. मैं बोलती थी मम्मी को, मम्मी इतनी साफ सफाई क्यों, लेकिन मैं भी बर्तन वैसे ही घस रही हूँ. Okay, so it is something I copied from my mother,
right,
and made a part of me. So everything we see in our parents, we keep certain things and we may not keep. That is the parent ego state. That is the thought part. Then the child ego state, behavior, thought, feeling, they are the replay of our childhood. Like lockdown. There are people who have cried and cried and cried. Okay. Even who are 40, 50, 60, बस रोना बंद ही नहीं. क्या होगा, कैसे होगा, नहीं होगा, बाई नहीं आएगी, हम कैसे करेंगे, घर कैसे चलेगा. Okay. So that crying could be that person's relics of her childhood, which she is still carrying, and her modal operators to stress is crime, whereas the other could be just throwing things. And what the hell, isn't the government supposed to do this, aren't they supposed to, we are here, aren't we supposed? So could have been the way he responded as a child.
Right.
So we have no, हमारा दोष नहीं है, because that is the only way we got stroke and attention. So we perpetuate those behaviors. And what about the adult? I said referee is what? Absolutely alert. He has to be in the here and now. Yeah. कि अभी हम देख क्या रहे हैं, सुन क्या रहे हैं. So in the here and now, how am I going to respond? So there are people who have gone, reached out, helped so many, and there are people who have moved away from life. So, it's at that moment, that's why it becomes very important to update, be in the present moment to help ourselves. We'll go further into the ego state.
Ma'am, a quick question. Is there a certain age which is the cutoff where your child gets frozen? Like, is it
where
like
the child gets?
Like you're saying, like, your child state is basically a childhood that you're replaying. Is there a certain age?
Basically,
जैसे आप 10 साल का बच्चा play कर रहे हो या 12 साल का कोई cutoff है उसका?
Anybody. So it's 0 to 6 years where a child ego state gets formed. And a child who's 6, he has a younger sibling who's 2. He can replay 2 years. So, these are complex,
right? Yes.
So we just introduce the concepts and move on.
I understand. And ma'am, also to clarify, because a lot of people ask that the parent state in you has nothing to do with being a real parent, right? आप कभी जिंदगी में माँ बाप ना भी बनो, तो parent आपका play करेगा.
बिल्कुल सही है. बच्चे में भी we have a parent, adult, child, and as I said, we have taken maybe 4-5 topics. Each is a big textbook.
Okay. Yeah.
हमने रस निकाला है. So in this, it is not about being a parent. I have something I've learned. I have my feelings, and I have this adult where I'm balancing. Anuradha, same. So I call them 3 matkas. सब में ये 3 मटके बैठे हैं. Okay, चाहे वो बच्चा है, चाहे 80 साल के बुजुर्ग हैं. But how elderly someday, मेरे को ये चाहिए, तुम मेरे सुन नहीं रहे हो. What is that behavior?
Childish.
Probably he, she was pampered. So today we see an 80-year-old man in our culture, definitely chances are he's been pampered by his mother, wife, and whatever. So what is he replaying? So his child is coming up. So we have all 3. So it has got nothing. So it is not even child ego is not like childish behavior. Each child will play only his tape, and everything in our brain is recorded. Everything is recorded in our brain, and that's why they are called as the relics, right?
You want to move on to the next slide?
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
So again, these are values, judgments, messages. We'll move on to the next. So this is what the parent ego state has. It's like, as I said, a nurture and a control. So nurturing is compassion. Control is rigidity. You know the word always, never, must and should. I request a lot of people, once we are aware of our compulsions, understand we are operating from a parent ego state. Or when we are nurturing, we are again operating from the parent ego state. So these are just the pictures, the nurture and the punishment, you know, like this. So we'll move ahead.
So ma'am, for example, as a boss, you're basically playing a parent, right? As an employer, for example.
Again, it depends. I can use some parts of my parent ego state, but our functioning is from our adult.
Oh, okay. All okay.
Yeah.
No, I was asking
because very often ये दिक्कत क्यों आती है? Because this adult gets contaminated by our beliefs and get contaminated by कि सर हम बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा चलेंगे क्यों? अरे गई तो हम क्या करेंगे? अभी गई तो हम 3 महीने से जी रहे हैं, सब कुछ नहीं हुआ. But at the moment it is that contaminated part which brings that fear in us. Yes, we are all tired, but then ठीक है, work from home, work for home. It's and we have to connect to our resources, right?
Yes.
So yeah, we'll just move again. Nurturing in that example, I think this has been covered up.
Yeah. Okay. Moving on to the next one.
Basically, then we come to the adult.
Yes. Let's talk about the adult one.
Yeah. So it is everything is about the here and now. So here we use our 5 senses. That's why we say, okay, if there's a disturbance, breathe. When I'm breathing, I'm in the now. When I'm looking around, seeing, feeling, hearing, I'm in the now. So this is all about here and now. It's like a computer, data in, data out. Analyzing that, we take our own decisions. Then it is all about reality. Now, very often, we may hear, we don't listen. Why? Because within me, there's some other tape going on in my head. It has happened with all of us, right? Then I'm not in my pure adult ego state. There is something else which is percolating, and that doesn't allow. Like the 5 layers we have, whether they are my feelings, my thoughts, or my compulsions, I'm then not able to look at or see things as they are. So once I cleanse my parent and the child, so that doesn't mean I don't use them, because child to ras hai, that's full of energy and
feeling,
fun, intuitive. All creative writers kahan se hai? Intuition, creativity as a chunk. Usko hum adult mein kaise, when I'm in my adult, how do I bring that flavor in my adult? And how do I operate from here and now? And I'm able to look at things with a little detachment and see what my options are. Like this lockdown, पहले 1 महीना 2 महीना, अब खुल रहा है, क्या क्या खोलेंगे? So those are all problem solving using our adult.
So would you call it also the balance state? Is that what like even spirituality is trying to achieve? Is it the
Yes,
adult state?
it's a referee, what my parent, because it continuous आवाज जो चलती है
The mind chatter जिसको कहते
child
हैं.
का, तो जब भी when I am in my adult and I take decisions from an uncontaminated adult, means my beliefs are not changing my decision, neither are my fears interfering with my decision. I will say I am. And again, a balanced decision does not mean, I repeat, that it will results that I want, a probability, because future is probable. But at this moment, and I take the responsibility. That's the adult.
Right. So taking responsibility is the key point.
Yeah.
That's again, as you usually explain. Yes, ma'am. Moving on to the next set of slides. Mhm.
Yeah, so this is basically a repetition. So the next one, this is again being attentive.
Uh-huh.
Okay, so even adults, we can, in our conversation, I mean, there is joy. So there's a part of our child ego state in our current adult, and we are moving on.
Mhm.
So again, smiles, there are many. Dukh ki, sukh ki, bematlab ki. So it is not only the smile that we assess, we'll go into the all things. So now the
child ego statement, the exciting one for all writers. Please explain it to us.
so
What
this
is the
is
child
a
ego statement?
big chunk of creativity of who you all are.
Mhm.
Right? And that is why the sensitive factor in the beginning, जो आपने बोला था,
Hmm.
sensitivity is high. But the feeling is charged, you know.
Hmm.
It's a feeling part of me. So I tend to get a little more sensitive. Okay?
Right.
The creative people are a little more sensitive. And the important thing is the curiosity, the creativity, the intuitiveness. And from here, like, you know, when you're writing, it's literally you're opening your heart, है ना? तो कभी हम
Right.
खोल के भी लिखते हैं. Well, sometimes it is received, sometimes it is not. But I'm okay. So in that intimacy, it's not always, no, intimacy at many levels. I'm again ready to take the risk of being open, being vulnerable. Okay, so these are the few contents, we say, of the child ego state. We'll brush through one more slide for the child ego state since it's very important. So what is important? Your child ego state, mine, everybody's is different. Like some impression, किसी same नहीं है. Everybody's experiences are different. In the same family, two children will respond differently because the texture of thoughts I'm born with is different. Situations are never the same. कि हम नदी में गए, next second हम उस पानी में नहीं है कि वो पानी बह गया. So second to second we move in life, and second to second we gather experiences in our life. So my relics are my relics, yours are yours. So that's why we say we are so unique. It is better to be who you are than be a carbon copy of who you are not. Okay, uniqueness is wonderful, wonderful quality, right? So that, and then we'll go through a few more qualities which will give, because it's so important to you all. I mean, you all are all such wonderful creative people. In that, as I said, there is one part which is adapted in the child ego state. वो adaptation में एक होता है, I am listening to what is told to me. The second part is the rebellion. So one is compliant, one is rebellious. Then there is another part which is a free child. Free child does not mean I have unbridled license. It means this is whatever I am doing. Okay. Like this example, this engineer tha, because parents wanted him to become an engineer. डिग्री मिल गई, मम्मी डैडी को डिग्री दिया, मुझे म्यूजिशियन बनना है. He took the responsibility. He came from a renowned family. छोड़ के that I will go, I will work as a waiter, मुझे बनना है, that's free child. So we take the responsibility, not that कि मुझे जो चाहिए जब चाहिए मैं करूँगा. No. So there is one adapted which is compliant or rebelling, and the other is the free child. So we have laughter, shouting, hooray, that's the yeah, wow. You know, these are the free child. And adapted like teen red line, तो wow तो करके नहीं जा सकते, ना तो चुपके खड़े हैं, like sometimes the boss is very strong. Or at home, servants may be timid. Some nowadays पहले बोलते थे नौकरी छुट्टी, ग्लास फूटी तो नौकरी छुट्टी. अभी है, अभी कुछ भी हुआ, मेरा बैग तैयार है, I am going. I mean, all the same thing in different time means different. So adapted with that whining, complaining, kur. Don't adults. So where am I operating from? I may be 45-year-old, I may be 65-year-old. Kur, ये नहीं हो रहा, ये दुख रहा है, वो दुख रहा है. That is the adapted child in me. Okay, if I'm rebelling to authority, I may be 8 years. Like I had this child who was 6 months. The mother would feed Cerelac. So it used to come out that mother would say, I can't feed this child. And she was really getting frustrated because her intention was positive. So as early as then, our ego states are already developing. And these are the different qualities: crying, whining, grumbling, and here is joy, fun. These are a chunk of a lot of you. All right, but all ego states are important. We'll come to that later. Yeah, go ahead. So,
yes, ma'am. Ma'am, so just dwelling on this just a little bit. So in layperson terms, you know, when the distinction between childlike and childish.
yes.
You know, so how does that fit into these concepts here?
See, the child ego state, when I am replaying my past, is my child ego state.
Right.
If in the childhood मुझे कुछ नहीं मिला, मैं लेट गई, रोने लगी. Even when I'm married, I may, you know, keep हाथ पैर हिलाती रहूंगी. My child ego state. Now, what is a childish behavior? The childish behavior is कहाँ पे भी कुछ भी हम बोलते हैं, which I'm not able to track to my own childhood.
Okay.
So a childish behavior is not what is coming from my life. So each behavior could be different. For different. So and there's no appropriateness of both, but here I'm able to track back. So even in this, no, there are too many dynamics.
I'm sure. Yes, of
and
course.
understanding. There's plenty, but even let's see whatever we can share today. We'll get an idea. So let's see. So basically, adapted is courteous, haji. That's the positive part. The negative part is continuous defensing, continuous sulking. So we have plus and minus of both. And we have a choice. See, what is important about tea is the choice. So we could go to the next. So basically, like as I said, these is showing the critical, the nurture in the parent. So I repeat, parent ego state is taught.
Right.
हम सीखे हैं, undigested material अंदर है. Now, अरे नहीं उसके बाप दादा grandfather भी ऐसे थे, पिताजी भी, तो ये भी तो गुस्सा करेगा नाना. I have a choice to put a delete button and I have to work for it. So it's not like that, it's absorbed. Yeah. Then the other part is the adapted child, which can be either I'm complying or rebelling. The other is the free child energy is the best to have. And then the adult is a referee, gathering information. So value system, कि हमें क्या चाहिए. अभी आप देखिए, हाथ धो, 3 बार धो, चप्पल बाहर उतारो, और ये सारी हमारी वैल्यू सिस्टम तो थी, हम उनको डिस्प्ले करते हैं. So I have taken from my parent to use how using my adult now. That is the all ego states are important.
Right, ma'am. So just pausing here a little bit to give this larger context. So
Yeah.
essentially, what we are saying is these are three ego states developed in everybody. So that means it's
Your voice.
impacted by. Sorry, that means is that fine now?
Yeah, better.
You can hear me. So that means you're impacted entirely and shaped entirely by your childhood, right? Entirely. And
See, there are, yes, childhood plays a role, but nobody is to be blamed because the
of
same
course,
state.
yeah.
Why I'm saying is because the message should go correctly.
Yes.
But what
Yes, please say
decisions
so.
I made impacts. So then the question is how this 3-year-old and 6-year-old, so those are the different dynamics when we learn how those decisions are made. But yes, our childhood, a big impact onto how we, because by then we have decided, and then later is a repetition of what the decision I had taken in my formative years.
And that age would be 0 to 6, right?
0 to 6, max 7, 8. Yeah, 0 to 6
Right,
mostly.
right.
That's
Ma'am,
very
I'll tell you why I'm asking that question, because I think when people seek therapy, and
Yes.
for everybody who has not taken that step towards mental health help just yet, I
Yes.
think it's important to understand that yes, you are
Perfect.
shaped by your childhood. There are things to be resolved in that childhood if you seek mental health, and yet you can intervene at any given time to change that story and the decision, right?
Absolutely, you
Yeah.
hit the nail on the head. It is that, and the thing is, as I said, choices, openness. All we have to do is work with a counselor, therapist, so find whatever ways which help us. Yes, we change a lot. We can change for sure.
Yes. So once we understand that these are our components, they may come from wherever. It could be learned behavior, etc., etc. But once we get a handle on it, we can change it whichever way with the
Bilkul.
counseling.
Bilkul
Right?
we can
And those
change
are the
because
choices.
we have to go back to the source, work around that. So one is the counseling. One is the first important part of TA is we help grow our adult. Okay.
Sorry, I didn't understand that.
Adult. Develop the adult ego state.
Yes.
And then once we are resourceful, then we can go into the damage, the scars.
Right.
Otherwise, chances are people break down. So then with that resourceful state, yes, we can help ourselves to a great extent.
That's wonderful. So, so that's so significant that basically, when somebody is down and out, we first develop the adult part. We're so strong ourselves that then we help our other parts. Right? That's what we're saying,
थोड़ी
right?
break हो रही है अनुराधा.
Oh. Okay, I don't know. I've been quite close to the mic. Okay, I'll repeat myself because I said it very passionately.
Yeah, this is first class.
I was saying that okay, I'm saying that basically what you're saying is so wonderful, and such an empowering thought ki if I feel down and out and out of my own resource and depth, I basically have to seek help, that my own adult state is up in a way that then I can help my other states to then be healed, right? That's really what we're saying.
Absolutely. So when we are
I'm okay. Ji.
Yeah. So basically the adult, when we say, that means actually also we are decontaminating some beliefs which are in the parent ego state. We are decontaminating the fears, our limitations. We are decontaminating. So it becomes a total cleansing. And as you rightly said, then in that we get the power to be in the here and now, take the decisions and move on. Yeah.
Yeah, what an absolutely empowering and reassuring thought.
Yes. Life is all about meeting the challenges with choices and make the changes. Yes, we can.
And the fact that it's really in our hands, no matter how down and out we are, right? And that's the most reassuring thought.
It's like if you fall, be like a rubber ball. rise. And that rise for everybody.
Right, yeah, and that is just in our hands. Great. Okay, moving on to the next slide.
Right. So,
yes, we have a wonderful clip here. If you can tell us about that.
We can just see the clip and then a minute to it. So everybody just watch it, watch the body movements, and you'll know the critical parent, the adult, and the adapted child very, very clearly. So
yes,
you're watching, watch. Yeah, it starts.
रूल्स मैन जिंदगी में कभी रूल्स फॉलो किए कमीना अब रूल्स चाहिए तुझे तेरी तरफ रूल्स बेटा हाँ दिखा दो मेरे को रूल्स
1, 2, 3, 4. And we all that. So the child of us, okay? And we can have fun anytime.
You're gonna get this. Oh!
Look now what happens to the joy, okay? Just watch.
Kabir?
Natasha!
Stop.
What are you doing?
Joy gone. What's
Hi.
I came here to surprise you. मैंने सोचा मुझे देखकर तुम्हें खुशी होगी.
मैं खुश हूँ.
लग रहे हो.
नताशा, ये मेरा बैचलर ट्रिप है और तुम जानती हो कि ये वक्त मैं अपने दोस्तों के साथ बिताना चाहता हूँ.
Really? लैला तुम्हारी दोस्त है?
वो हमारी डाइविंग इंस्ट्रक्टर है यार. मैंने फोन पे भी बोला था तुम्हें.
और वो दूसरी नैन्सी?
नूरिया.
Whatever.
गॉड नताशा, उससे मैं आज ही मिला हूँ. बेचारे अंदर कमरा भी हमें दे दिया. इसके बाद प्रॉब्लली शायद मुलाकात भी नहीं होगी हमारी.
इससे बेटर सिचुएशन क्या हो सकती है? किसी को पता भी नहीं चलेगा कि क्या हुआ.
तुम इसलिए यहाँ आए हो? फोन पे वो सॉरी बस एक बहाना था यहाँ का एड्रेस जानने के लिए.
How dare you, Kabir?
That's really big.
Shut up. कौन है?
इमरान.
Come in.
okay? Right. So beautifully, one could see that fun part, and in a matter of seconds, that fun went away. Right? And the critic, the body language, the critic, what's happening, and that confusion. Then in the bedroom, adapted. She was critical. That is how the communication was going on. And how she's throwing things, and suddenly when there's a no again, come in. So how we change from one ego state to the other? And it is up to us to be in control, use what is appropriate, or be in a reactive mode. So chances are her critical was a reactive mode. Free time and get into the rut of a happy thing, really not very happy. And also the body language. He said, "Haan, main khush hoon." Is the body talking? Something totally different. That's where we have to bring our awareness to, right? We could move on to the next.
Yeah, the wonderful beat by beat explanation of how the ego states are. Okay.
Right.
So yes, ma'am. So if you can explain, so yes, of course, all ego states are important, but if you can explain more about, how to bring about balance in this. Yes. Please.
So balance is what? See, we have nurture, critic, we have adult, we have an adapted. So in adapted, I'm adapting to parental dictates. Either I'm adapting or rebelling. I'm complying or I'm rebelling. The other is free. So in this, what gives us energy? The nurture. But nurture to over nurture is risky. So the nurture component. Then the free child component, that's the energy. in us. That's the powerhouse in us, and the adult. So how we use so that doesn't mean there should be no critic. No, we have to learn certain disciplines in lives. There's a critic, parent is important. All ego states have a role to play. It is the appropriateness when we are using. So if I have to follow now, if you're subordinate, you have something completed and the person has to complete it and you all have to give it to your producer, then he has to adapt or she has to adapt. Okay, so that's the positive part. We have to follow certain instructions. That's the positive of the adapted child. Okay, so like this, same thing with the free child. There's a plus and minus. As I said, we cannot have an unbridled license. Kahan pe jo chaha wo kar liya. No, but that free energy, we have that. Okay, this is a choice. Come on, me, I will deal with it, and bring in a lot of fun, joy, enjoyment in life. Abhi ye sare isme, everybody is worried about life, right? So the life is the greatest gift we have, and let us live each day. It's all I can say. And all this helps us to remain healthy using it appropriately. Right? And a balance, and then the decisions, yes, that are decides.
Yes. So, ma'am, when they say that, don't react but respond, that's really what they're meaning, right? That, you pause and decide which ego state you even want to respond from.
Yeah, so
instead of just being reactive all the time.
Basically, it's training yourself. Like how we pehle sikhate hain na, accelerator dabao, clutch dabao, brake dabao, pehle soch. Then it becomes me. And understand neural tracks jo hamare brain mein hai, we can change. But apne aap nahi. I want to change some behavior. I have to change the behavior, thinking, feeling, and follow it for 20 to 40 days. Then that automatically becomes me. So it becomes from my subconscious, it is there for me. I don't have to then think.
Right. Okay. But I just have one question. This is a question actually I've asked my own self, so I'm going to take this opportunity.
Yes.
I think I've made that shift in me. I've really worked on myself as a person, also as when I help people. मुझे कभी-कभी ये लगता है कि आप कुछ थोड़ी सी spontaneity नहीं lose कर देते हो. I sometimes miss my very reactive self. बड़ा मजा आता है to be, like कुछ भी बिना सोचे बोल दिया कर दिया.
There is no harm. It is spontaneous. Difference in reactivity and spontaneity. Don't lose our spontaneity.
Right.
But reactivity, yes. There's a difference.
Yes, I completely agree.
So in reactivity, chances of impulsivity are more.
Ji.
And spontaneity, when I've trained myself, I will be spontaneous. I'll be vulnerable. I'll be intimate. But if it is going to come, my reactions are critical. I better beware, because I will trigger a rebel in the others. As we train, it's beautiful. We work and train ourselves, Anuradha.
Right, ma'am. No, thank you so much. You've given me the answer. When you're trained enough, you will learn to be spontaneous again. Actually, you will be one.
सब चीजों को टाइम लगता है. We don't give ourselves time, and this is the lockdown. Be kind, give yourself time.
Right. No, that just explains it completely, ma'am. Great. So moving on to our next topic, ma'am.
Anuradha, can I just suggest something?
Yes, yes, sure.
जो the time frame है. Huh?
Yes, please.
Should we go straight into drama? Because
why not? Absolutely, yes.
Drama, people go back with something.
Yes, yes, sure.
Because
let's go.
Time frame ka.
I think ठीक है, drama and passion as well, and then we can take some questions.
We can do life positions also.
Yeah.
And then drama.
Sure. Let's go to drama. Yeah. आप बताइए slide number. Yes.
I don't have the slide numbers. ये उसके next.
Yeah, that's fine.
Next. काफी है, हम ये नहीं ले रहे हैं because
No, ma'am, that's fine. We have about half an hour, but yes, you're right. We could just go straight to drama because I think games and drama are very
ये
interesting.
नेक्स्ट जाएंगे हम और पीछे जाएंगे नेक्स्ट आगे
Yeah. Go on. Yeah.
नेक्स्ट वन लाइफ पोजीशन चश्मा दिख रहा है
हाँ मुझे देख हाँ मैम यहाँ से we could start.
Yeah, so it will have a link because
yes, of course, because we've just touched
and
upon it. Life position say we
gone
can
into
start.
in
Yes.
depths of ego state. I think it's wonderful because where the
Yes.
changes come
Yeah.
from.
Ji. So ma'am, let's start with life
Yeah.
position because uska, I mean, I think it has great impact, on our understanding both as just people as well as writers. So if you can just directly deep dive into what are life positions, what do
See,
you mean?
basically this picture itself क्या बता रहा है कि हमने काला चश्मा क्या दिखेगा काला दिखेगा ब्लू कर दो ब्लू दिखेगा सही है so our perception is the basis of our life okay the way we perceive things right so we could go on to the next one
yeah. So ma'am,
so these are actually called as experiential positions
okay
life position is how I feel think nahi everything is about feeling how a person feels see if you remember thinking hamara it is what I'm taught as parent I have felt as child तो हमारी जर्नी कहाँ से चालू हुई है ego state से so it is feeling how a person feels about himself and herself and about others in simple words this is life
position
not how I think वो adult हो गया है ना जो हमारा brain है वो हमें सोचने की direction देता है
right
thinking but this is the feeling this is most important
yes.
how I feel about me others and it is both plus and minus about self and others from here we get these important words I am okay you are okay I think positive about me I think positive about the other ठीक है
right
then I am okay you are not okay it's positive about me negative about the other then I am not okay you are okay so it's negative about me but positive about others and the last कुछ भी नहीं है ना दुनिया में ना लोगों में खल्लास so I am not okay you are not okay world is for
nothing is okay
ये वर्ल्ड का मतलब नहीं है so basically it's very simple how I feel about me how I feel about the other positively and negatively is life position and again the decisions are very early in our childhood we go to the next slide right so what we spoke is here in a tabulated form so let's take I think positive about me and you so it's wonderful and healthy नहीं वो तो उसको you know that person बहुत गुस्सा आता है मुझे उसे देख के so I am okay he is not okay right अरे उसको देख के तो मैं तो घबरा गई क्या एकदम पहाड़ जैसे लगता है I am not okay he is okay right ना काम है ना पैसा है रेंट देनी है EMI देना है क्या करें भैया ना हम कुछ दुनिया नहीं है ये किसको खा जाएगा प्रलय आ गई I am not okay
you are not okay
so what happens when I am okay it is a healthy position है ना
right
again I repeat the okayness is who we are as humans
right
we have difficult attitudes disturbed behaviors some habits okay somebody may be a hardcore alcoholic do we down that person ye kya hai ye yeah but no He has that habit, period. Okay? I mean, he can be a wonderful human being. So we don't down people. That is a healthy position. That is when we say we are talking of acceptance.
Acceptance, right? Yeah.
So the psycho-spiritual part, okay? The acceptance of who I am is healthy, and that's how we are born. But well, as we grow, so much happens. And with a little brain, we make the decisions. So then we go into the next. I'm not okay. You are okay. That is, no, the next quadrant.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's a one down position. And this person will always feel useless, helpless, hopeless. And that's where the depression comes. That's where, you know, when we compare, envy, jealousy, comparison, functioning from that quadrant. Then is I am okay, you are not. So superiority.
Superior.
So one is this, the superiority, downing people. तुमको क्या, तुम तो ऐसे ही रहोगे. We down the totality. अरे, he has made something not fine. That's a behavior, but the totality. Okay. It is I am okay. I know it all. You know how many people have that air? I know it.
Yeah.
Who knows? I mean, let it be anybody. एक वायरस को पकड़ में आई है? No. So it only tells us our limitations. Yes, as humans we have limitations, but we better accept them. There's power above us. So more than that is this superiority. And whether it is power, whether it is money, opposition. अरे सब आके जाती है लहरों की तरह. Right? So when we continuously operate, it's difficult. And then I'm not good, so going nowhere. So all these four quadrants, all of us move one to the other.
Other, right.
So we are all born with I'm okay.
Okay, you're okay.
Okay. And then with life, whatever it is, with our little heads, we make decision. And again here, there are two karmic hua, those who believe in past life, those who don't, no problem. Inheritance hoti hai, our, you know, textures of thoughts hote hain by which we decide, and there are situations. So we move from one quadrant to the other. However, primarily we operate from one more than the others. But again, dead end kuch bhi nahi hai life mein. Patli gali is always there. Change. How do we change? Again, changing our behavior. See, there are only three things. The way I think from the parent ego state, adult and child. How will I change my behavior, thinking, feeling to be? So say if I am not okay and you are okay, I feel down. Okay, what do I do to get into, no, I'm also okay. I change my behavior.
Right.
I'm fearful of, I start doing. And that is to be done 20 days, 40 days, till it becomes me. Right? And in this, there are some, again, we have to really get into the deeper aspects of our childhood, where there is trauma piled up. Please, that even traumas, whoever has gone through whatever, they are impressions in our head. Simple. And we can change. Same thing, those who believe in rebirth. I've been born with, to main gaya ya gayi. No, they are my impressions. I can change my perception. I can develop this khazana and cut that, change it, and move on. However, have we 100% control? Maybe a little, no, but I can be a better individual. I can be a happy individual. I can be a delightful person, for sure. So this is it. And the
excellent,
next one.
This is really the most profound part of it all. Ma'am, just a quick question on that. Just to ask so that people are not confused. My life position, can I ever assess it on my own, or will I definitely need help to know it? Like, should I always be consulting a counselor to know?
No. See, it's basically, again, it depends कि हम जब भी सफाई करते हैं, ठीक है,
जी,
कि हमने ऊपर से कर ली, साफ हो गई, ठीक है,
हाँ,
कभी कभी
हाँ,
हमने चीज को हिलाया नहीं ना, 3 months हम सबने तो भारी भारी चीजें हिलाई नहीं है, ज्यादा कचरा, दाग धब्बे. So it depends, like a diet.
yeah.
He can be just doing diet and be fine. Sometimes yoga, diet, no, sugar is 400. Tablets, insulin. So it all depends. So this is a combination.
Yes.
It's not that दुनिया को हमेशा counselor को पकड़ के चलना है. No. We learn about ourselves. Yes, initially we may take our help and then we become our own counselors. But knowledge. I may have a BMW. अरे मुझे accelerator brake पे पकड़ना नहीं आता, steering पकड़ना नहीं आती, मैं क्या चलाऊंगी BMW? Best vehicle friends we have. बाकी सब रुकी थी ना 2-2.5 महीना. Mercedes, Toyota, सब रुकी थी. But this is our vehicle. Our body, mind, and intellect is our vehicle, and is for our change, for whatever we want to achieve in life, and yes, for liberation. They are vehicles.
Yes. What an awesome explanation of why we actually really need to seek help, because क्या पता कहाँ पे कौन से कोने में क्या webs रह गए हों, and थोड़ी से help के साथ we will be, I'm okay, you are okay, because that should be our goal at any given time, right?
Wonderful. Yes.
Yes, great. So very quickly moving on to the games we play, because ये इतना catchy और interesting part है कि we can't live without knowing about it. Yes.
Again, games, all of us are this, whether we like it or we don't. And that doesn't mean 24/7 we are playing games, but very often we are sending messages, which is social message. Underlying, we are sending is an psychological message. By and large, the responses where we get hooked on to is that psychological message which is sent to us, and that's where we react. Huh? Mujhe bola. What do you think? You. Shut up. Go into, all the dramas that are there. And yes, so all of us friends have experienced that there is something happened. It's happening again. And next time I say, no, I will not lose my head. मैं शांत करूंगी. Again the thing starts and we notice इधर कुछ हो रहा है till we blow our top.
Yeah.
It is between two people. At the end, I didn't want to do it. Somebody will cry, somebody will shout. No? So that is the end result of this game. What is it? There's something which happens again and again. There's a trigger. We say, no, he made me angry. I take the responsibility. I felt angry. Can I do something about it? Otherwise, we can do nothing. Putting the ball out, and the ball stays out, and I keep dancing all around me. Nothing moves in life. So that's the importance again of helping oneself and the therapy. So how does it start? So it starts in one way. Then there's a repeated pattern. And suddenly, क्या हो गया? अरे हम तो chat कर रहे थे. वो कहाँ उसकी बात आ गई? At the end, one is sobbing, the other is angry. Very important, friends, in relationship, couple relationship, parent-child relationship, brother-sister relationship, therapist-client relationship, everywhere. This is extremely, extremely important. And now, why are we doing it? We are not doing it consciously. So the transaction, एक सीधा गया तीर, एक
टेढ़ा गया.
टेढ़ा. So सीधा को हमने message दिया, like say to a party, okay, there's a nice fun going on, and किसकी कोई अपने girlfriend के साथ आ गया, and she was my bitter enemy. He walks in. And then looking at her, I said, aap aaye, bahar aayi, but what is happening to me? Boiling. And she's also got the message. What I meant is something different. So we say something, we mean something. Those are transaction, ulterior transaction. The word itself says ulterior. Sida nahi hai. And why does it happen? So we'll just go on to the next slide.
Yes, yes, the drama triangle.
Yeah. So just the
Yes,
features
let's go.
is repetition.
Ji.
Why are we repeating it? Because our adult is not aware.
Acha.
Even when my adult is aware, if I have not cleansed certain things from my parent,
Okay.
or like men are supposed to be angry, the game will be, the guy will blame the other. Okay, so I have to cleanse that thought pattern.
Right.
Cleanse some lurking feeling, which is there. And they end up with both feelings, somebody banging a door, somebody howling. Yeah, and somebody, I mean, so many. Sometimes they are third degree are so bad that it ends up in harming self. Okay.
Right.
Then, so there's an ulterior transaction and suddenly ki sab theek chal raha hai, abhi kya ho gaya? So this is what it is. So we have to bring it to our awareness.
Awareness, the games that we are playing.
That we are playing. So blaming, blemish.
Right.
There are so many. Okay, so not getting into the understanding that it is without, it's not in a conscious frame. So that's why the tip of the iceberg.
Right, yeah. Behavior.
Unconscious से हम conscious लाए तो ही कुछ कर पाएंगे. चावल अभी लॉकडाउन में 10 किलो भर दिया, बट बिरयानी बनानी है, पकाएंगे नहीं, खा सकेंगे. So thoughts, feeling दबी रही. Now, surface, deal with it. That helps the shift in the
shift. Yes, the inner shift. Yes,
inner shifts.
Yes,
no, everything is about our own transformation. And as we change, nobody wants to be in that cocoon. No, everybody wants to fly. I want freedom. I want responsibility. Kaise chalega? So I have to go take the responsibility, move ahead. And yes, we can have that freedom. Right?
So ma'am, if you can explain quickly about the drama triangle, my favorite is part of the yes.
Drama is like everybody is aware.
Everything. Yeah.
I mean, if somebody says na na na, हमारे घर तो सुख शांति है, unlikely. मेरे में अंदर 100% सुख शांति है, unlikely, because I have a parent, adult and child in me, and there is a fight. ऐसे नहीं होना चाहिए, ऐसे मत करो, तुम करो, पर मुझे मौज करनी है, मुझे जाना है. That is internal drama. Nobody is free from drama till we realize the roles we are playing.
Right.
Distance ourselves from that role. So what is this drama triangle? So basically, it was, it's called as a Karpman's triangle because Dr. Karpman, again a psychiatrist, had done a lot of work and realized that we shift, like ego states. Nobody is in one ego state, but predominantly may use one more than the other. Right? So here also there are 3 positions: the persecutor, okay, then there is a rescuer, like the incidents I shared with you all about the child with the red lines. Sister came as a rescuer. The father initially was persecuting child, the victim. The important thing is when we are in drama, we shift roles. The victim can get into, poor me. See, daddy, I told you, because you shout, and so where can I study? Pura time you are shouting on mommy, how can I study? So what is the child from the victim mode shifts to a
persecutor.
And the sister teenage, 100% support becomes the rescuer.
Rescuer.
And so this is the dance of the
three roles.
Okay, we can go into the next one.
हम इसको हिंदी में कैसे कहेंगे persecutor को जो I know I'm just thinking persecutor, rescuer, victim तो victim I think समझ में आता है जिसके साथ बुरा हुआ.
मुझे शायद हिंदी शब्द आए या ना आए. Persecutor, get a picture. Due respects to everybody. समझो पिक्चर लाए तो क्या होगा? He's continuously putting down everybody. सही है. So वो पिक्चर का वर्ड अगर ऑडियंस से किसको हिंदी वर्ड आ जाए कि जो दूसरे को हमेशा डाउन करता है, नीचा दिखाता है, उसको हम persecutor बोलते हैं कि if somebody can find a word and share, I'll be happy. Okay. A rescuer.
So बचाव करता है. हाँ.
Rescuer is कि किसी को हेल्प करना, कंपैशन लाना, ये प्लस है, हमें करना चाहिए. बट बच्चा चल रहा है, अरे बच्चा कभी ना गिरे, उसको उठाते रहो, that is rescuing. Homework and projects done by parents is rescuing. मदद ना मांगी, मैं हूं ना, is rescuing. Helping is not rescuing.
Okay.
Okay, helping means
मदद करना rescuing नहीं है, बचाव करना rescuing.
अपना उंगली, like they say, no, you added your 2 bits, now you happy.
Okay, yes, got it.
Parents may have heard it, and in the younger generation knows that, okay, we have said these. That is a rescuer.
Got it.
Okay, so I can give figures. So Superman hua, Hanuman ji. You are a rescuer. In the sense, the positive part, I'm talking.
Of course.
To understand, because he was always there. He was compassionate. They were ready to help. At the same time, his adult was very much in his control. किसी ने पूछा, मुंह ना खोलना, बगैर किसी आगे आके कुछ करना नहीं. Are you getting the difference?
Yeah, of course. Yeah.
And victim तो बेचारी भी.
हाँ, मैं बेचारी.
मैं क्या करूँ, मैं बेचारी.
बेचारगी.
हाँ, ये तो मेरे साथ ही होता है. World has fallen on me. I can't do. Helpless. Okay, so these are the 3 criteria. So जो persecutor होता है, हम life position में जाएंगे तो I plus कड़क, U minus, तुम्हें नहीं आता, हटो, चलो मैं करते हैं. Okay, you don't know. So CEO will do the job of 5 assistants. The assistants are more than happy. चलो कर रहा है, करने दो. Then come to the rescuer. So rescuer is also I plus U minus. But what is the difference? It comes from compassion. The person may need my help. Not that a person is useless. Whereas a persecutor comes from कि उसको तो down ही करना है. That is the difference.
Understood.
So it comes from I plus U minus is critical. Persecutor. Rescuer, chances I will be adapted child. हमने जो ego state किए हैं. And जो, no, sorry, not adapted child, nurturing parent. Nurture है ना, compassion है. And is adapted child. Poor me, helpless, whining, complaining.
Correct, got it.
This is the triangle.
So basically different ego states playing different roles in this triangle. At any given time.
Yes, and the game is the ulterior
transaction.
And the life positions all make us, so doing something not asked for becomes a rescuer. Putting in the 2 bits.
करेक्ट, राइट, गॉट इट मैम। तो ये बेसिकली हिंदी में मैं कहूँगी कि एक ये जो त्रिकोण है, इसमें एक आदमी हमेशा नीचे दिखा रहा है, एक आदमी बचाव कर रहा है और एक बेचारा बन रहा है, और
Yes,
ये
yes,
शिफ्ट
yes.
होता रहता है।
Beautifully put.
और ये ड्रामा में शिफ्ट
Beautifully
होता
put.
रहता है
है ना?
डिपेंडिंग ऑन द
तो
सिचुएशन।
हम एक रोल
Yes.
में नहीं रहते, लाइक एज आई सेड,
जी।
हमारा लाइफ पोजीशन एक प्रीडोमिनेंट ज्यादा हम वापरते हैं,
हाँ,
इसलिए हम ईगो स्टेट्स वापरते हैं. सो
Correct.
पर्सन हु इज अ more in the critical parent, I plus you minus, he'll be
हाँ.
a executor.
हाँ, करेक्ट, समझ गई।
Okay, so that way it goes on. So we'll
तो
move
ऐसे
on
हम
to
लोग
the
इस गेम को खेलते रहते हैं। हाँ,
And
Yes,
we all jump from one to the other. The important thing of games is we switch roles,
right, yeah,
change roles. We'll go on
Right.
to the next.
yeah,
So persecutor will put the others down. I plus you minus. Rescuer is puts.
yes, ma'am, we
It's
understood.
like
Yeah,
let me help out. I think basically what I shared with you. And
we got it. Yes,
next
ma'am.
one, we can go to the next one.
Yeah,
So what does a rescuer do? Take the responsibility for which he or she is not responsible for. I am tired. It is too much. Why? Because I'm doing 10 things which don't come under what I'm supposed to do. So harrowed, tired will also be the position of a rescuer. Then the victim, what the rescuer has to do? Reach out when asked for. Right? Victim who feels so helpless and hopeless has to understand कि that's why they say, I mean, we have had people, doctor come, मुझे दवाई नहीं चाहिए, okay. Let's see, there are hardcore illnesses, we have to give medicine. There are no two things. वहाँ therapy वगैरह नहीं चलती. You have to give the medicines. Whereas where people who require counseling, ये तो मेरे से नहीं होगा, आप कर लो ना. अरे आप कर लो ना से कैसे होगा भाई? हम आपके लिए खा नहीं सकते, तो आपके लिए सोच और बिहेवियर कैसे चेंज करें? So the important thing is, even when I'm feeling hopeless, helpless, useless, trust me, we all are blessed with many pluses. And we have to bring our awareness to the pluses, move on.
right.
And get out. So same thing with the persecutor. Is it a high position, but not to misuse power and authority, not to abuse power, and also understand that, okay, we are all good at everything. No, na. 24/7, can we keep ourselves happy? No. Can we do everything? No. So understanding that okay, maybe this person is not good at this. Okay, let me give him or her something different. That's how we connect and allow the blooming of possibilities. That's how we bring about the changes. And to that, we will see the clipping.
Ma'am, actually, unfortunately, we just run out of time here.
No problem.
So yes. So what I would say is that, if we can just wrap it up with just the summarizing of this, because we
Yes.
just have, so I'll just ask you this question. So,
Yeah.
just putting the drama triangle in perspective, the fact
Yes.
that essentially, because all the ego states are, some are contaminated, they are clashing with each other. Our behaviors are basically just above the iceberg. Can we safely say that if we address, all the games, all the patterns rather in us, we can actually shift the life position from wherever we are at to the I'm okay, you're okay?
If we put it in simpler ways,
Yes.
Patterns also come from what I am operating from. Patterns help us, make us understand कि हाँ ये बार-बार हो रहा है. This is a game I'm into. At the same time, I trace to where am I operating from. Because that is very simple and easy to change with a little counseling support, or if we really dwell and dive in, yes, we can change. And once I know from where I'm operating, then how do I connect and help me change my pattern? These patterns again are deep down in the iceberg. जम गया है. It's etched.
Right.
That requires the support, and then I change that. So बाहर से हम ये change कर रहे हैं, सही है?
जी.
I'm changing my behaviors
Yes.
a lot. I'm changing where I am coming from, I plus U minus. So I'm changing it to I plus U plus.
जी.
There is the deepest belief
Right.
responsible for the pattern.
हाँ.
Deepest belief is my thinking pattern, actually, with which I'm also born with. Like how we all born with different skin textures, we are born with different thought patterns.
Right.
Then we grow up in an environment which maintain those thought patterns. Then as we grow up, when we have full maturity, yes, we can go back and change them. So if I say the Panch Kosha, the innermost to bliss is the thought,
Right.
which is the consciousness. Once I cleanse this, my beliefs, a lot.
Oh, wonderful. Ma'am, and I know we're running out of time, but last but not the least, if you can
Please.
just touch upon life script, क्योंकि मुझे लगता है कि as a writer, it had the most fundamental and most phenomenal effect on me to just
Okay.
know कि there's something called a life story, और वो हमारे thought को कितना guide करती है और कभी भी life में वो change हो सकती है, तो वो हमें आप please बताएं.
No problem. We'll go to the earlier one.
Yeah.
So basically, yes, you're all writers. How do you all write?
हम लोग कंप्यूटर पे लिखते हैं.
है ना, मतलब पहले सोच आती है ना,
जी.
एक सेटअप होती है थॉट्स की, which is a beginning, middle and end. सही है? वैसे स्क्रिप्ट आती है. So also each of us in childhood, I repeat, those who believe in birth and rebirth, this is written even before, and those who don't, both are fine, because we come here in life only two ways, cycles or genetic. But I have come with that. Understand that I have come with it.
जी.
Okay. So this life story has a beginning, middle and end. And
Yeah,
when
exactly.
I have written this plot, by 6 years, my plot is complete.
Amazing.
And then 6 to 12 years, the situations, we say, oh, this is happening to me again and again. No, this is what I have chosen. So I'm perceiving this again and again. Outside is a mirror of within. Oh, this story that I have written. Okay. And then as we grow, फाइन ट्यून करते हैं ना, आपने स्टोरी प्लॉट बन गया, फिर ये डायलॉग वो डायलॉग
रीराइट किया,
हीरो है तो ये ऐड करेंगे, लाइक दैट वी फाइन ट्यून becomes पक्का by the time we are 18. At the same time, this, understand, the beauty is the writer, director, editor, actor, सब मैं ही हूँ. And at any stage, I can change what I want. Again, I repeat, it is work. And nothing comes without work. हमको apps build करने, करते रहो मेहनत, करते हैं ना. तो इसके लिए, see, the thing is, what do I want? Everybody says, I want to be happy. I'm carrying lurking skeletons. So I have a choice to change that. So this is unconscious, personal, decided in early childhood. And as we go on, of course, it is influence as we form our ego states. Now it is decision, no? This is how I've decided. I will live as I minus U plus, bichara, bichara, bichara. That will continuously be like this. But it's a decision. And what is the philosophy? Go back. When we go back, it is I can think and redecide.
Right. Be autonomous.
Redecide by changing the behavior, feeling, and thought. So I can work on it. But the thing is, why do we do that? Because there is lack of power. बच्चे को power क्या है? खाना पीना चाहिए, तो जो वो तो करना ही है. This power, the brain is not fully developed, so the decisions, and this is a little more deep because one has to really know the development of the child ego state. How just sharing that in that chotu bachu also there's an adult who decides. Just accept it. Okay, and that is called as a little professor. But उसके पास data enough नहीं है.
क्योंकि बच्चा है.
So even as adult, हम कितनी बार enough data ना लेके decide करते हैं. Right? So that बच्चों को तो है ही नहीं data. हमने choose किया उसको delete करने का. That's the difference. Okay? Right. So immature thinking patterns, lack of information and lack of options. So we make those decisions. But I repeat, we are not helpless, hopeless creatures. We have choices to meet our challenges and change whenever we want to. It's like हम समुंदर में आ गए हैं और फिर बोल रहे हैं कि अरे लहरें क्यों हैं, ये करना सीखो, टफ करना सीखो. Here, change your thinking, feeling, behaviors. A lot changes. Okay, I think
yes. I think you have covered just about everything we possibly could in a session like this. I think it has been one of the most profound discussions one has had in a really long time, and I think it has been as life altering for everybody listening as it has been for me all over again. It has been my foundation course all over again. I absolutely cannot thank you enough for what you have shared with us today. With this, the most self-assuring thought in times that we are living in, that really we are the writers, directors, actors, editors, producers of our own lives.
All in one.
Yes, and that, मैं हूं ना.
And remember, picture abhi baki hai. तो यहाँ खत्म नहीं होती. Change and form new. Friends, there's a lot in life.
Both of you, ma'am, for this absolutely insightful and wonderful session. So on behalf of me and my inner parent, inner child, inner adult, and all of Estebu and all our members, thank you so much for this. And to all of our attendees, we will not be able to share the deck with you because there are some 60 slides, but we will be putting this up on YouTube. So please आप वहाँ जाके आराम से दोबारा देखिए and Google it. And Google all the concepts that ma'am has enlightened us about, and watch it again. And please, let's all begin our inner work. As ma'am said in the beginning, we have to begin by changing our own selves. So thank you so much.
If I may add, sorry, if you want to learn, you can go ahead and learn from ma'am, as she's a teacher of transaction analysis.
Absolutely.
If you want to seek help, she's also practicing psychiatrist and psychotherapist. So go ahead, walk in and see that help.
Basically, even I'll thank you all. I had an opportunity to share whatever I know in this period, whatever we had, and to be able to reach out to it as I also feel blessed. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
So great.
Okay.
Until the next one. Thank you, everyone.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Thank you, Ishita. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Ishita. Thank you,
Adinada. Thank you.
Thank you, Dinkar.
Thanks, everyone.
Take care. Bye-bye.